Hi, I'm Jim Elser, Sweet Smoked Q. Today we're going to grill up some spicy shrimp. Now we're going to take the shrimp. These are already peeled and deveined. We leave the tail on. We're going to skewer them up. I like to put them on a skewer in a lollipop fashion. We're going to make a citrus oil. Juice a lime, a lemon, and an orange. Add a little salt and pepper, and we're going to drizzle in olive oil while we mix. We're going to brush the citrus oil on the shrimp, and once we brush that on, we're going to use our favorite barbecue rub. My favorite barbecue rub is Sweet Smoked Q barbecue rub. We're going to place them on the grill at 375. All right, since these are spicy shrimp skewers, we're going to add a spicy barbecue sauce. I like Sweet Smoked Q's spicy barbecue sauce. We're going to brush the barbecue sauce on when the shrimp are starting to turn a little pink. Brush on the top side, and we're going to flip the skewers over and brush the other side. All right, once you brush both sides, cook to about 140 to 145 internal temperature. Make sure you don't overcook them because you're going to get rubbery shrimp. Now we're going to chop up some jalapenos. We're going to chop up cilantro. Once the shrimp are pulled from the grill, we're going to put them on top of a bed of arugula. Sprinkle some diced jalapenos on there, some cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. Now that's some spicy shrimp.